Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Zoom and signing in with your school credentials so permissions match your class roster. Next, click Join or New Meeting and paste the meeting ID or the direct link. This connects you immediately. Once connected, choose a display name that your instructor recognizes, then use the camera and microphone preview to confirm video framing and audio levels. Make sure to select the correct audio device and test speaker volume before class starts, so you avoid interruptions. Once in session, manage audio and video proactively to maintain clarity for everyone. You can mute and unmute with the toolbar or press and hold spacebar for quick talk bursts. Use headphones to avoid echo. For video, pick a virtual background or enable touch-up to look sharper. Spotlight if presenting. When sharing, pick the specific window or application and tick Optimize for video if it includes motion. Allow participant annotation only when you want collaborative marking. You finish by presenting and keeping students engaged. Share your slides, advance them or enable remote control for a co-presenter, and use chat, reactions, and polls to check understanding. Record the session if allowed so absent students can catch up. If something goes wrong, first check your internet connection and switch to a wired link or hotspot. If issues persist, restart Zoom, join from another device, or use the phone dial-in option to continue audio while you fix video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.